insert it and then leave. So to remove also we need to pull it outside, then only we can remove. To fit again, if you will fit directly, it won't fit, it will not stuck. So first pull the lever out, then fit, then it won't remove. And for remove, follow the same thing. Now the operating is simple, and you can see we are using right now the silicone liner for the small ASL cap. So we can just put the cap on the bottle and just press it on the top of it, and it will get tight. And as soon as it get tight, the chuck stop rotating. It has a torque setting. When it reaches the desired torque, it will stop automatically. So we can try with the PU liner chuck also. We have a reverse direction also if you want to rotate it reverse. So we are just opening the cap now with the reverse direction. So this is how we can open it, and then we can again turn the direction to forward. And now we'll fix the cap on the bottle again. So this is how it's easy. You can see there is no mark of the rubber or no wear and tear of the caps. It's just dirty because of the dust, but there is no damage to the cap. And for the bigger, let's try. We'll remove and fit the second chuck with the silicone liner for bigger ASL cap. So this is how it get sealed. Okay, so now we have just opened it, and now you can also use the PU liner. So to remove the liner, when the liner gets ruptured or damaged, you can just tear it off and push it from these holes to get it removed. And then we have provided the extra liner as per your request, so you can just fit them. The PU liner you can just push in, while the silicone liner you may use some silicone glue or some kind of Fevikwik to make it stick to the body of the chuck. If you have any doubt, do let me know. Thank you.